Today we are going to do an open ROV unboxing with its tools. Alright, so we got equipment from Amazon. We got these screwdriver kit at their precision, and then I got the second screwdriver kit, but I got this one from Harbor Freight. We got vinyl electrical tape. We got brass cleaner to clean the tip of my solder ring iron. I got this soldering iron, very good one, not very expensive. The magic lube for the O-rings. Glasses to check my eyes. My bleeding kit to test the seal. And that's everything I got in this box. I got gloves. Let's see. Then I also got this box. This one in here. Okay, got the silicone lubricant, the 2-ton epoxy, I have my battery charging packs, and then I have my plastic syringe. That's for my acrylic cement. My acrylic cement. Oh gosh, these are not supposed to be in here. These are supposed to be with my open ROV. Open ROV labels. Open ROV batteries. And these are the other ones. So I have 6 open ROV batteries. Let's see, I got this stuff from Harbor Freight. 150 grit sandpaper. This hacksaw. My utility knife. Super glue. Digital multimeter. Wire cut stripper and cutter. I also got some batteries. Alright, let's see. Now I'm going to have your metric tape measure. But also from Harbor Freight, I got this aluminum paste in order to hold all my supplies. Now alright, I've already opened up my ROV. Now let's for the second time open it up. This is the Pelican case. Got your open ROV hat. It has your that's that box. We got our weights. And everything that comes with the open ROV. Probably shouldn't be damaged like this. Should be okay. Alright, that's it.